the track.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Mark's iPad. So today I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods Pro to your iPad and your iPhone using the Apple Shortcuts app. This makes it much easier for you to connect between devices. You can just do it at one tap of a button. Okay, so let's go. So what you're going to want to do is open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. You can do this on your iPad too, but here on our iPhone. And then you're gonna go. And then what you want to do is click the plus button at the top. You're going to click scripting. You're going to scroll all the way down to playback. And then you're going to click the iPhone icon. And then you're going to open up your AirPods. You should see them appear in the list here with the rest of your devices. So once AirPods comes up, you click the AirPods, and that's really it actually. What we have to do now is just go through and save all of that, edit the shortcut name, you just save all that, and you just press done at the top right, and then literally that's it. You'll see there's an app icon on the screen, but you can also see you can go to your widgets, and all you have to do is literally just tap the button and it will connect straight to your AirPods. And you can also do this on your iPad. So when you're on your iPad and you have the widgets which are synced over iCloud, you just tap on that and it will connect straight to your iPad Pro, and you can move between devices. Super simple, and yeah, it's really efficient, and it just saves you a lot of headache. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys. There are more videos to come, and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like, and please hit the like button. It definitely helps. All right, peace.